Hello friends, in these videos only the kanjis, its onyomi and kunyomi are important. Remaining all explanation is just an aid for remembering them. Bun or fun. Here the middle radical is katana, sword. Its onyomi is to. It is used to signify cut. The two pieces on both sides also signify cut. So this kanji means a part of something. So in connection with time when it is used, it means part of the hour, that is minutes. It also means understand. Kunyomi is wakeru, wakareru, wakaru. Onyomi is bun, fun or bu. G. This kanji is time or hour. First radical is sun radical. Sun or day is connected with time. The next radical is Tera. It means Buddhist temple, which means something divine. Also, its onyomi too is G. That is another reason for using this radical, since they sound the same. Sun with Tera means every precious divine unit of the day, that is hour. Kunyomi is Toki or Doki and onyomi is G. Mae. This kanji has moon radical and katana radical. Katana means sword. So, moon cut, night gone, that is previous. So, this kanji means previous. The upper radical is a rare one. As far as I have seen, this comes only in the neck kanji and nowhere else, and can't put any meaning to it. Just remember its presence in this kanji. Kunyomi is Mae and onyomi Zen. Saki. This radical is actually known as human leg radical, but it makes more sense if we think of it as opening, like in the Moto kanji. Moto means original. This kanji only has this radical and a stroke on top to say having. It explains the meaning perfectly. Having the opening or beginning is original. Moto. Also we have seen Miru kanji earlier. Opening eyes is looking, Miru. In the same way, here it seems to mean opening. Top radicals are 10 radical Ju, which means complete, and the point radical, which means cut or gone. So in all, something completely gone before this beginning, that is today, finished before today. Senjitsu has this kanji which means the other day or before a few days. Last week is called as Senshu. Kunyomi of this kanji is Saki or Mazu and onyomi is Sen. Ato, later. We have already seen this radical and seen that it means following. We have also seen this radical which means again, but it has a cut too. So these together mean following after something. The upper radical comes from the Ito radical. Ito means thread. So if we remove some parts of the thread, the remaining parts are hardly visible. So this radical is used to say obscure, hardly visible, very small. And together they mean something that is following in the unseen future. Its kunyomi is Nochi Ushiro Ato. Onyomi Go or Ko. Go is small, go, and Ko. Oi, many. This kanji comes from Yube kanji. So let's see it first. As we have seen earlier, many kanjis come from their katakana letters. This is one of them. Evening is also called as yogata. When we write it in katakana, the letter ta is the letter used to represent evening. Now, oi onyomi is ta. So, the same is used as radical in oi. To depict many, the radical is doubled. This is all just for remembering the kanji. Finding some link helps us remember the kanjis. This is all assumption. Kunyomi of this kanji is oi, masani or masaru. Onyomi is ta. Takai. Some kanjis are better explained by their resemblance to things. This is one of them. This kanji resembles a pagoda with the door kanji representing door and the upside down box representing the walls. The upper door stands for the upper stories of the building. The top stroke represents the spike on the top. So this kanji means tall, like the tall pagoda. It also means expensive. Kunyomi is takai and onyomi is ko. Aida. Just like the kiku kanji we saw earlier, this kanji too is from gate radical. Here we have sun in the middle of two gates. This sun highlights the gap between the gates. So the meaning of this kanji is gap, interval. Kunyomi, Aida, Ma, I. Onyomi is kan or ken. Atarashi. This has two radicals. First one we have already seen, the screw-like radical karai or tsurai. But it has two pieces to indicate the screw opened with the next radical. It is the axe radical. So together they represent something opened newly. So this kanji is new, atarashi. Kunyomi is atarashi or arata and onyomi is shin. Let us practice all the kanjis we learned today. Our kanji ji with interval kanji kan gives jikan, which means time. Hito kanji nin with aida kanji here gen gives ningen, means human being. Bun or fun kanji with 10 gives two words. First with 10 kanji. Jubun means plenty or enough. With the number 10 gives juppun or jippun, which means 10 minutes. Time, ji or toki, kanji with what, nani, kanji gives itsudemo, means at any time. Time kanji with measure kanji, kei, gives tokei. It means time measuring device, clock. Noon kanji go with before mae kanji zen gives gozen. It is AM, morning time. Mae kanji with name kanji na gives namae. It means name. Oi kanji ta with sukunai few, little kanji sho gives tasho. It means more or less. Same oi kanji ta with part kanji bun gives tabun, which means for large part or mostly. So it means perhaps. Previous saki kanji sen with month kanji getsu gives sengetsu. It means last month. Sen saki kanji with life kanji sei, sensei. This word means master or doctor. New atarashi kanji shin with here kiku kanji bun gives Shinbun. Shinbun means newspaper, the thing in which we hear about new things. Ima kanji kon, with later. Ato kanji go, gives kongo. Kongo means henceforth. Tall, takai kanji ko, with school kanji ko, gives koko, means high school. Takasa means height or altitude.